of the light, they haunt the misty bay. Their flax clothes a mark of their domain. At twilight they dance a ghostly refrain, their presence whispered on the whispering gale. The Patupaiarehe, in shadows they remain, luring maidens with their bewitching stain. A tale of love that's doomed to fail. Afraid of the light, they haunt the misty vale. The Kahu, with hair like fiery grain, are they the offspring